welcome back to my channel for the last Young Living ER order of 2020. If you don't know what that means, then that is my monthly subscription box basically with Young Living. Young Living is such a great company that I have now been using for, oh my gosh, I don't even know, since like April. I use Young Living because it is just a very natural brand and I love it, and they carry so many things that I use every single day between essential oils, makeup, skincare, food, like so many good things, supplements, you name it, Young Living has it, and I love their things. I trust their things. They are the only company that has their own farms and just creates their own products all by themselves. I do get rewards for that. That's the whole point of Essential Rewards, is you place this order once a month, you completely customize what you want in the box and you get it straight to your door. You change it as many times as you want, which is amazing. I go in there so many times a month and change what I want, and you get points back. So essentially you're getting like free money. So right now I have about $50 worth of points, and that can transfer into free products, which is so cool because nobody else really does things like that. This month I got kind of a lot of things and I'm really excited, so let's dive right into it. First thing that I'm seeing here is the Deep Relief Roller. I rave about these rollers. So I have two here because one of them is actually for a friend. She wanted to try it out. She gets really bad headaches and I just rave about this thing all the time, and I'll always do that. If you live local with me, I will, if you don't want to sign up with a starter bundle or anything like that yet, then I will grab something for you, and then that way you can try it so you're not committed into the whole like Young Living if you don't want to be yet. This is the one I have now, and this is what it looks like, and it is just a regular roller like this. And you can definitely make your own. Most people do. I have a couple of my own as well, but they do have a couple pre-made rollers, and I did actually purchase another one this month and I'll show you in a minute. But the Deep Relief Roller I have quickly found to be one of my favorite products of Young Living's. It is so good for so many things. So many things. I originally purchased this because I get really bad migraines, and I don't get them, actually, knock on wood, I don't get them as bad as I used to, but when I get them, I'm out for the count. Like, I get them right behind my eyes. Lately, I get them back behind my neck. I hold my tension and stress like on the back of my neck. It's so bad. Like, I just feel like my shoulders and the back of my neck just get so heavy when I'm stressed or overwhelmed, and this has seriously been such a lifesaver. If you are someone who goes to the gym, or you know someone who goes to the gym that could use something like this, whatever the body issue is, I feel like this Deep Relief Roller helps so much. And this is just a pre-made, diluted already roller, and there are so many good oils in it. For example, there's wintergreen, clove, peppermint, lemon, vetiver, like just so many good oils that feel amazing on the skin. And it does give like a little bit of like that icy hot sensation, like that tingling, but nothing too intense. Like, it just feels really good. So I actually wanted to order another one of these just to keep in my purse, so that way whenever I'm out, if I need it, I have it. I like keeping one at my desk at work. They're just so good, and I feel like every single person can use this for so many different reasons. Speaking of roller, I also got the Thieves roller, and Thieves is Young Living's oil that is meant to boost your immunity, prevent sickness. It's just an all-around really good bodily support oil, and especially in these colder months and with COVID and everything going on, I really wanted to make sure I grabbed one of these. The Thieves oil, the regular oil, smells so good. It is like the most perfect fall winter smell. I wanted the roller just to have to roll this on the back of your spine and on the bottoms of your feet. It's just to help you build your immunity. It's good for you, and it just helps support your body, and I wanted to have the Thieves roller in order to do that. I do have a wellness roller that I made. It's just like a DIY roller with like coconut oil, and there is Thieves in there and lemon and all sorts of oils. Let me know if you guys want to know more about like DIY stuff. I can totally do that. But I did make my own DIY roller, but I wanted to just have the Thieves one on hand. It's easy, it's quick, it's already there, and perfect for these colder months. Oh, I'm so excited about these. When convention happened this year, I was like, what is that? Like, who is gonna purchase these? I think everybody at first was kind of just like, why is this a thing? But Brooklyn at Oily Moon Essentials on Instagram, she is like the cutest thing ever, and I follow her and she always has so many good oil ideas and diffuser blends and literally everything. She's so smart when it comes to Young Living. But I get really bad car sickness. I've probably mentioned it here on my channel before, but and I don't know if you can hear me like struggling to open these right now, but I am. I don't even have to be going far. Like, there's just certain cars or certain moments, especially like if I'm hungry or like I can't read, I can't look at my phone during a car ride, like any of that is just out of the question. Brooklyn used these for her car rides because she also gets car sick and said that they are like game changing and completely like fixed her car sickness. So I was like, why not give it a try? Like, may as well. So these are the Aroma Rings. These are the most like random product ever. They come in this little pack and there's, I believe, 8. Yes, 8 Aroma Rings in a pack, and they're all individually packaged, which is awesome. So they're perfect for on the go. I'm literally gonna keep them in my car. I'm gonna keep them in my purse, anywhere. And they are these little silicone rings that look like the septum piercings, like kind of like my nose ring, but the ones that go right here. And they are just silicone, and you pop them in your nose and you just leave them in there, and that's it. And this is the Aroma Ease oil, and that is perfect for like nausea or just like that upset stomach type of feel. And that's what I get in the car with like the motion sickness and everything. So I am definitely excited to try these next time I'm in the car for a while. So they come in the Aroma Ease or they come in the lavender. Everything else that I ordered this month are oils. There are quite a few here. My first oil here is a 15 ml of peppermint. You guys already know I made an entire video on peppermint of why it is my absolute favorite oil, how I use it, all the things. So this is just one that I absolutely have to have on hand, like at all times. I have been diffusing it so much lately with vanilla and winter night oil. Oh my gosh, it just smells so good. It is just my favorite smell of all time of the day, no matter what. I love peppermint so much. And also, I haven't tried it yet, but if you make brownies and you do like a drop in the brownies, I heard that's really good too. Peppermint Vitality. The Vitality is the oils with the white labels, and that just means you can digest them. You technically can digest both, but the white label is just FDA approved, like you can digest this if you need to. I just ordered this one just because I wanted a small bottle, and I just figured why not order the Vitality. There's really no reason behind it, but I wanted a small one to keep at school. Even though I am working from home right now for who knows how long, I do like to keep a couple oils at school, so that way I have them in my diffuser ready to go while I'm working. And peppermint, like I said, is just a go-to. I absolutely have to have that, and I was running low with the one at work. The other oil I got is a 15 ml of cedarwood. Cedarwood is really good at night. It's just a very sweet smell, very calming. Cedarwood, peppermint, and vanilla together apparently smells like a mocha peppermint dream. So I just noticed I ordered 2 peppermints, so that's fine. I got another little peppermint, which again, can't have enough of, so not mad about that at all. I'll keep one at work and then one here. And then this one, I'm so excited about. This is the last one I placed in my actual order, but it's not the last thing I got, and I'll explain that in a second. But I ordered Sarah. I have been wanting this oil for a really long time. This is just a really, really good oil for emotional support, and I just feel like I've heard so many good things and testimonies with Sarah about being a girl and going through so many emotions and like all that kind of stuff. And so I'm really excited to try this. I'm definitely getting more and more into the emotional support oil. Oh, it smells good. Not that I expected it to smell bad, but it smells kind of similar to Release, which makes sense because Release is another emotional support oil to help you like release your emotions. So I feel like that makes sense. This has, let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot in here. Ylang-ylang, geranium, lavender, orange, cedarwood, blue cypress, davana, jasmine, rose. Oh my gosh, there's like so many. Grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon. There's so many in here. But this smells really, really nice, and I think this is going to be just a really good one to have. I love wearing oils like all the time. Yeah, that smells really, really good. So I'm actually going to do a video soon, it's in the back of my head, of the emotional support oils, so keep a lookout for that and how I use oils every single day for that kind of thing. So definitely keep a lookout for that, but I'm excited to add Sarah in my routine. The last 2 oils that I got were actually for free. When you order on ER, you get free thing. Once you hit a certain PV, then you reach like the tiers of the gifts, and you always get free gifts, which is so cool and generous of Young Living. The free gifts that I got this month are a 15 ml of Breathe Again. This one is just perfect to have during, again, these colder months, because everybody I feel like is just getting sick and their chest feels heavy or they're getting congested. So Breathe Again is really, really nice. I like diffusing this one at night with like lavender or cedarwood or literally any of the nighttime oils that I use. But Breathe Again is just really, really good to have, especially if you're someone who has asthma. I do not have asthma, but it's really good if you just rub a little bit on your chest. You can put a little bit like under your nose, literally anywhere, diffuse it. It's just really good at opening up the airways and helping you breathe better. And then the last one that I got for free, I am so excited because I have been wanting this oil for a long time and I literally got it free this month. So that is really exciting. This is Northern Lights Black Spruce. And this is one of their, obviously, piney oils. I have pine, I have Idaho Blue Spruce, I believe it is. And that one smells really good. They're just very piney, wintry, like, if you like that like piney, earthy smell, then you'll love any of the like spruce oils. Wow, that one smells, oh my god, this one smells better than the other ones I have. That smells like a straight up Christmas tree. Like, I feel like this smells more Christmas tree-y than pine does. That smells amazing. I am definitely going to diffuse this with Christmas spirit. I feel like that's going to be a really, really good combo. It kind of smells like masculine too. But that is everything that I got in my December ER order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Last one, the last ER video of 2020. If you are interested in joining with the Young Living, you can absolutely join my team. Just hit the link that's in my description box down below and enter my member number, and you'll be on my team, and I'll add you to all the Facebook groups, and it is just such a good community, and I'll send you a welcome package, and we'll just be in groups together, and you can ask me questions. I'll give you my number, and it'll just be so much fun. It is such a great community, so definitely let me know if you're interested, or you don't even have to let me know. I mean, you could just join and grab your kit, and that'd be the end of it. Like, whatever you want to do, you do you. But I would love to have you on my team. It's just so much fun, and experimenting with all these different oils is just amazing. And I know I ordered like all oils this month, but Young Living really has a product for everyone in every way possible, and it's so amazing, and I just love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!